MemeCore's native coin climbed from 35 cents to nearly $5. That growth cycle took less than a single year. Today, the network commands a $3.88 billion market cap. This valuation places it among the top 30 largest cryptocurrencies on the planet. For new investors, this scale creates a mathematical wall. Entering at a $4 billion valuation limits the room for the exponential returns that defined the project's early days. MemeCore has moved past the stage of a cheap gamble. It now requires the same level of scrutiny as any major infrastructure investment. MemeCore operates as its own dedicated Layer 1 EVM-compatible blockchain, independent of Ethereum or Solana. The network utilizes a unique consensus mechanism called Proof of Meme. This system prioritizes community engagement and on-chain activity over traditional computing power, rewarding users for the liquidity and attention they bring to the chain. To drive this activity, the ecosystem relies on a platform called memex. Memex is a no-code launchpad that allows anyone to mint a meme coin without writing a single line of code. While this low barrier to entry fuels high levels of network activity, it also creates an environment saturated with low-quality tokens and potential scams. The infrastructure is functional, but the project's multi-billion-dollar survival depends entirely on meme culture maturing into a permanent financial asset class. Evaluating MemeCore's long-term viability requires a look at the math behind the supply. This chart highlights a significant gap. The protocol has a maximum supply ceiling of 10 billion M coins. Only 1.31 billion of those coins are currently in circulation. That means 87% of the total supply is still locked. This creates an impending dilution cliff. As billions of locked tokens eventually enter the market, the increased supply puts significant downward pressure on the price for existing holders. The network uses a burn mechanism to counter this inflation. A portion of every gas fee and dApp interaction is permanently removed from the supply. However, this burn rate struggles to keep pace with the massive volume of upcoming token unlocks, unless the network maintains extreme activity levels indefinitely. For long-term holders, this persistent dilution pressure changes the safety profile of the asset. The technical charts show the token reached an all-time high of $4.84 in April 2026. Since that peak, the price has pulled back 38% to its current level of approximately $2.96. This decline reflects a period of caution among short-term traders. Despite the recent drop, the upward trend originating from July 2025 low remains intact on the macro scale. But the technical data is only half the story. The founding team behind the MemeCore network remains entirely anonymous. While anonymity is common in meme projects, it introduces a layer of transparency risk for a protocol managing billions of dollars in market value. Investing in this dip means betting on a positive macro chart, while trusting a faceless entity with billions of dollars in locked liquidity. Whether this project fits your portfolio depends on your investor profile. Momentum traders thrive on the volatility and narrative hype that MemeCore provides. For these active participants, the project's first mover status and rapid ecosystem growth present a significant opportunity. The scenario is different for the infrastructure speculator looking for a passive multi-year hold. The combination of an anonymous team and a 13% circulating supply makes this a high-risk environment for a passive strategy. Treating MemeCore as a set-it-and-forget-it asset ignores the heavy dilution that the protocol's roadmap practically guarantees. Success here depends on your specific time horizon and risk management, rather than the blockchain technology alone. Our final verdict is a watch. The structural risks make a blind buy ill-advised at this stage. The bullish case is built on legitimate infrastructure and undeniable first-mover growth, but the bearish case centers on severe future dilution and a lack of transparency, risks that outweigh the hype for a conservative portfolio. If you are an active trader looking for exposure, M is available on Kraken, BitGet, and PancakeSwap. If this breakdown helped you navigate the space, let us know. Like, subscribe for daily crypto breakdowns, share the video, and comment your bullish or bearish stance on MemeCore.